All right, the first example is going to be good for number 1 and number 4, where you have to round to the nearest tenth of a gram. All right, on number 1, you got an element with mass 140 grams decays by 21.6% per minute. How much of the element is remaining after 20 minutes to the nearest tenth of a gram? So you write 140 first, parentheses 1 minus because of decays, and then 0.216. The way that you get 0.216, go to that Desmos calculator on your phone or on your Chromebook. Put 21.6 in, type it in, I'm gonna do that. Step of a way, divide it, press the front slash by 100. And that's where the 0.216 comes in. So I'll write a 0 here, put 0.216, and then put the 20 for 20 minutes as an exponent. So that's how you're gonna write it out first. Notice how I subtracted it, but you don't need to do that necessarily for the answer. So what you need to do for the answer is this. I'm gonna redo this on Desmos here. All right, check this out. I'm gonna put the 140 that you wrote down first. Put the 1, because you always are subtracting from 100. The K's is minus. Put the 0.216 in that we got from changing the percentage to a decimal. Press Control 6. Make that Shift 6. Shift 6. So the Shift key and 6 with that little caret on it right here. And then put in 20. And it's gonna give you this long number, 1.0775 I don't need all those numbers to round to the nearest tenth. The nearest tenth is the number to the first number to the right of the decimal. So you see it's a 0. I look at the second number, and it's a 7. So when I put 1.07 grams, to round to the nearest tenth is going to become 1.1 gram. And that's the first answer. That's how you round to the nearest tenth. You're going to do the same thing for number 4. Okay, but you're going to do that one on your own. All right, so you're going to take 210 and write it down. Take 8.3%, divide that by 100. Do the 1 minus, what you get for your percentage. It's after 15 minutes, so you press Shift 6, the calculator up here to put 15, and then you're gonna round to the nearest tenth there. So that's number 1 and 4. I'm gonna do number 2, which is similar to number 3. Number 3 and some other ones for that appreciate. Then I'm going to do the car ones where it's depreciating. Notice I'm doing one. I just did number 1 as an example for 4 for decaying. All right. So look out for that. I'm going to send this first video to see if it goes through and you can see it. It might be too long. All right.